me about Nepal also.
Yes, religions place Pashupati temple, which is situated in Kathmandu, Lord
Yes,
the Shiva.
I
It is the
think
big
Kathmandu
temple.
is the capital of Nepal. Yeah. Also, I know. I think the world largest mountain. That also peak. Also there.
Yes, yes, yes.
I think
Saga,
800.
8 lakh,
Yeah, 8,848.
848.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
this
yes.
is the height of mountain.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Very good afternoon. Hi, how are you?
Yes, yes, I am fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you for asking. Yes.
Yes.
So we are meeting very first
So,
time. So we are introduce
yes,
ourselves.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
first, okay. My name is Lalita Jangid. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker and simultaneously I also run a YouTube channel, English with Lalita Kumari. I think you know. And if you talk about my qualification, I done my B.Ed and PG diploma in computers and my interest. So listening audiobook, try to cultivate reading habit also these days. Apart from traveling, I blessed with a daughter, live in joint family. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great
Yes.
to introduce from your side. So it's my turn.
Yes, yes.
Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If you talk about my education, I have done CME from Chinnamasta Institute of Technology, Rajbiras, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirupati University, KTM, Nepal. If you talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if you talk about my hobby, searching new things, make a new friends. And I have YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh, where I uploaded
Yeah.
conversation video, solo video, and my strength is communication. My strength is communication skill. That's all about it.
Okay, okay, amazing. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So actually, first of all, how long you learning this language?
It's been I am learning from 1 year, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So which type of challenges you face?
Yes, everybody face many kinds of challenges
Okay.
when beginners. So that times they have no idea which things I do, which I have to do learn is helpful for me. They have no idea. Any person. So same like I face that kinds of problem. Even then I was doing many kinds of work like as I studying, listening practice, reading practice, and basically depend on how much are you doing self practice. Self practice is the good practice for learning purpose, for conversation. And if you are learning more things, if you listening more things, if you reading more things, if you writing more things, that is not matter is how much do you practice. That is depend on. So I was doing continuously, and I have to knowledge getting, so everything to do, but you have to more to practice. So I faced that kinds of problem, and I am doing at this time. It's normal.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I'm also resonate with you. I'm also in my
Yes,
starting time. Yes, listening, listening podcast and yeah, listening helped me a lot in my case. Yeah.
yes. Listening means input. Yes,
Yes, yes.
speaking means output. If you don't listening, so you cannot speaking output. So I have to more listen. I have to take more words, more vocabulary, more things to related English content. And when do you speak? So automatically that kinds of word will become, and it's helpful to the speak in front of other people.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And how's your, I can say, YouTube journey also?
Okay. So YouTube journey, there are two causes. One cause
Okay.
is I have to know me. Every person know me. Uh, in in around us, in my village, in community, many person know me. But I would like to know all over the world, many countries. So that is the platform YouTube. So
Yes,
I
yes.
thought I created YouTube channel, and in YouTube channel, many person know me. I can speak English, and there are two benefit. One, I can speak learning, and my YouTube channel is also gain, and many person know me through YouTube. And I want type of compel, if I have YouTube channel, so I have to make every day one video. Yes, that's why I created YouTube channel. And YouTube journey is also 1 year back
Okay,
continuously.
okay. Okay, okay. You also consistent here, but I'm unable to find your channel. Yes. So,
Okay.
yes.
I would like to say my channel name is English with Mukesh.
Okay,
English with
okay.
Mukesh.
Yes, I definitely
And
check
my
out.
subscribe, yes, my
Okay, okay.
subscriber at this time 285. You can recognize easily.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Amazing.
Thank you.
Okay.
And I watched your many videos, and once day I thought I have to talk with you. So I sent you message and you reply. So I would like to thank a lot.
Yes,
I
yes.
am very
Actually, I'm
excited
also
talking with
grateful.
you.
Actually, I'm also, yes, find the partner for practice. Yes.
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 Yes. Lack practice, who is a learning period. So they, most of people search partner, but
Yes, yes.
they are not getting easily. If you send message, sometimes if you are free, so that person not free, that
Yes,
person
yes.
free, I am not free, it is the
Yes, yes.
difficult. Yes, but many person interested to conversation, they improve on our communication skill. So I also interested, that is the problem is comes out. And even person, many person says, you don't wait to conversation, you self practice. This is also good. Even then conversation is the one way to learning, because if you are speaking to each other, so they give new words, they give new idea, they have many new things. But if you are doing self practice, so you are limited. They are not full free. And other person talk, they also use around us there, what kinds of work, what kinds of environment, everything share. So
Yes,
conversation
yes.
is necessary to the learning.
Yes, yes, of course. Okay. So you are from Nepal. So tell me about Nepal also.
Yes,
First,
if talk about
okay.
So talk about Nepal. Nepal is a quiet place. It is landlocked country, natural beauty country, and many religious places, and many communities stay in Nepal. Hindu, Muslim, Buddha, Christian, every community.
Yes,
But
yes.
they all are community to respect to each other religions, and that is the good responsibility, good behavior of Nepalese community. Yes, respect to each other religions, I like it, and many person also like it this way.
Yes, yes.
And if talk about religions place, Pashupati temple, which is situated in Kathmandu, Lord
Yes.
the Shiva,
I
it is the
think
big
Kathmandu
temple.
is the capital of Nepal. Yeah.
Yes, yes, capital
Yes.
of
Little bit
Nepal.
I also I know. I think the world largest mountain. that also peak also there.
Yes, yes, yes.
I think
Sagarmatha,
yes, yes,
Everest peak.
yes, Everest
Oh,
peak. I think 800, yeah, 8,848.
848.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
this
yes,
is the height of Mount Everest all over the
yes, yes,
world. And another one thing is Kathmandu, Lord Pashupati Temple, another Bodh Temple, Lumbini, and other
yes,
things,
yes. I
Sita
think
Temple, yeah, Sita Temple, Janakpur. Basically, Nepal is divided into three parts. One is hilly region, and another one is mountain region, and one is Tarai plain region. So I stay in Tarai region. It's very far from capital of Kathmandu. It is connected to Nepal India border. I stay
yes. Actually, Nepal is also in my bucket list. I also want to visit that place. And
connected. India
yes, I think
connected.
no need for a yeah passport also.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes, definitely. You said
yes,
right.
yes,
No need passport, visa, any. Just you have ID card, you can go and come. Nepalese also go, Indian also come. I
yes.
visited many times India without
Okay.
passport, but nowadays searching ID card because security contest every country. So if you are good, if you are so ID is necessary for the security purpose. Yes,
Yes,
every
yes,
country security is needed.
yes, yes.
So you can come and go, no problem. I also visited many times to India. I like it. What's your future plan? Would you like to come Nepal or not?
Yes, yes, of course, in my bucket list.
Okay. And can you say about your English journey? How long have you in your English journey, and why would you like to learn this language? What is the specific causes?
Okay. So, first of all, yes, I'm also learning this language around 1 year. But initial
Okay.
stage, yes, I blessed with a daughter, so I also start my YouTube channel. So there I upload only short with my daughter. She singing a
Okay.
poem. She was singing a poem. I also help her. There upload only
Okay.
short. But I have lots of fear. I watch the conversation video. So that's new
Okay.
for me. I approach some people like you, and the I
Mhm.
can say journey going on. Yes, and
Mhm.
uh, yes, I can say conversation 5 months. I'm consistent. In my initial stage, I'm not that much consistent. Yeah. And can you repeat again? What are you saying? Actually, here
And
is
so, why would you like
garbage
to
truck
learn
is
this
coming.
language?
Garbage truck is
Why
coming.
would you like?
So that's why I'm not able to listen. Yeah.
Okay, I am saying, why would you like to learn this language?
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
okay, you tell.
Yeah. I'm why I'm learning this language. So first of all, I want to yes, self-independent. I want to teach this language. I provide I can say
Yes.
whole subject, but my major
Okay.
focus on this language. And yes, I
Okay.
blessed with a daughter. So yes, I want to atmosphere at home. So that's why also,
Okay.
and I love traveling. So that's why also.
Okay. That is the two causes. One's causes is to be traveling for your countries and other countries and help to the uh, daughter. You make atmosphere of in your house. Yes, your daughter is also will be speak
Actually,
English,
I'm
so it is
unable to
helpful
listen.
them.
There is
No,
garbage truck
yeah, that's the good.
coming. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Sometimes maybe problem come, no problem.
Yes.
And I would like to ask other questions.
Okay.
If anybody who is beginners who wants to learn English language, so what kind of suggest you have any idea who is beginners? Can you give any idea to the beginners?
I think initial stage we need more consuming the English content. in my initial stage, I'm
Okay.
also yes. So yes, listening helped me a lot. If I listen, so after that is yes, you already mentioned that yes, input, and we speak, so that is output. So without input we can't
Exactly.
yes, the output. So I
Yes.
think listening is must in initial stage. Not in initially,
Okay.
I can
Okay.
say in learning journey, listening is
Yes.
must. Yeah, and after, yeah,
Listening.
speaking also. Speaking comes from
Yes.
speaking.
Yes.
So yes, speaking also important. Yeah.
Okay. Listening, speaking, everything
Yes,
to
yes.
the need.
Yes, for part of learning any language. So yes, but listening and speaking, that are must.
Yes. Yes. Okay. You continue. Continue. Bhagat.
And uh, yes, I also cultivate, I can say, the reading habit also. Small, small stories I told my daughter, and sometimes I write down that story. And yes, in I have the journal habit also. So before going to
Yes.
bed,
Yes.
I write down what type of emotion I have. So yes.
Yes. Absolutely. You said right. I agree with your statement. Everything you write. Okay. So I have a work. Next time I will connect.
Okay, okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Give me your
Okay. Nice
precious
talking with
time.
you. Bye bye.
Okay, okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.